Welcome back to the Venari Podcast. I'm Gov Candola, and for today's episode, we are joined by Ranjeet Banerjee. Ranjeet is the CEO at Cold Chain Technologies. Now, they are a global provider of packaging solutions for the shipment of temperature-sensitive materials. Ranjeet, welcome.
Thank you, Gov. Good to be here with you.
No, look, it's great to have you on. And in today's episode, we're going to be learning more about Cold Chain Technologies, who the business are, and along with some of the advancements and challenges facing the organization over the coming years. So to kick us off, Ranjeet, it'll be great to understand who Cold Chain Technologies are.
So Cold Chain Technologies, or CCT, is a company that was founded in the 60s and is a global leader in providing what we call thermal packaging assurance solutions for life sciences. Our focus is on life sciences, and it covers vaccines, drugs, biologics, and all kinds of pharmaceutical ingredients and substances. The focus and the core capabilities of the company are around providing high-performance thermal assurance packaging solutions that ensure that the product, which is the drug, is transported under very clear conditions, and there's no excursions either way. It doesn't go hot, doesn't go cold, and this is critical, as you can imagine, for drugs and pharmaceuticals that require that condition to be monitored throughout the transport.
Yeah, we've had previous guests obviously discussing cold supply chains, but it'd be great to understand what a cold chain solution is.
The last mile is very complex. If it's a drug or a biologic or a vaccine that requires it to be maintained, stored, and transported under certain conditions, it's very important that those conditions are adhered to. Because if not, then it's highly likely that the efficacy of that drug or the biologic or the vaccine could be impacted, right? And if efficacy is impacted, there's a patient outcome issue, there's a patient safety issue, as well as a waste issue that could emerge. Today, there's a lot of studies that have shown that between $300 to $400 billion a year of life science products are transported every year, up with a waste of up to 10%. So you're talking about billions of dollars of waste happening primarily as a result of temperatures not being maintained, drugs going out of the range. And beyond that, beyond the money, there's a huge patient safety aspect, because there could be now a drug that is not effective that is being administered. So where we come in is playing with other partners. Our goal is to deliver that end-to-end assurance from the plant to the patient or the recipient.
Yeah, given the push for more sustainable solutions, do CCT have any initiatives to create a more sustainable packaging solution?
Absolutely. Sustainability is a huge part of our agenda. And our goal is to deliver sustainable solutions that are high performing as well as they're cost effective. That is key, right? So what are we doing about it? We have a very successful line of reusable thermal assurance solutions. It's called our EcoFlex brand of products. EcoFlex was also the main solution for COVID vaccine transport in the US for the last, and even today, for the last 2.5 years, it's been the leader in COVID vaccine transport. These are the mRNA vaccines at minus 25 degrees. So we came up with this reusable solution that has got clear sustainability benefits. In addition to that, we did an acquisition last year where we have now a second line of products, which are True Temp Naturals line of products, which are single use, but they are fully curbside recyclable and repulpable. Wow. So we have today potentially the broadest range of high performing sustainable solutions for the life science industry. We took a goal last year to avoid 50 million pounds of landfill by 2025. We are well on our way towards meeting that goal. And we actually upped that goal end of last year to 60 million pounds of landfill avoidance by 2025 through our solutions.
Now, digital initiatives have been at the forefront of a lot of the conversations happening within the cold chain vertical. Do CCT have any digital initiatives of their own?
Yes, we do. So if you think about this concept of us providing this assurance of the drug, the biologic, the vaccine during transport, one of the things we have started offering is the ability to monitor the temperature, the location of the drug as it moves through the last mile, right? That obviously helps in making sure that it's at the right temperature. It gives an alert by exception if it's not. And we're also going to be launching more solutions where this is going to get more predictive, right? So we can, before an excursion happens, being able to predict it happening, as well as making sure that all the drugs that are transported throughout the last mile are meeting the compliance requirements. So a big part of our offering is starting to become digital, and we've already launched these solutions.
Yeah, whenever we're discussing the cold chain vertical, cell and gene therapy is often coming up in conversations. I can imagine this is something very similar at CCT.
Absolutely. No, it's a great question. The cell and gene therapy is the forefront now on a lot of the innovation that is happening in the pharmaceutical space. We entered cell and gene therapy through the COVID vaccines, the mRNA vaccines, right? They are in a form of gene therapy, right? Requiring minus 25 and even lower at times temperatures, like some of the vaccines were up to minus 70, minus 80. So we have a track record for this space, and we recently launched a whole slew of products specifically designed for cell and gene therapy solution, which is a combination of sustainability, high performance, using all our expertise over the last many years, especially the mRNA vaccine capability that we built, and the digital, combining this together. We have launched a whole slew of products called the CCT TheraShield that will be focused exclusively on cell and gene therapy. Our focus is to ensure that the innovation of cell and gene therapy, personalized medicine, continues, because this could be game changing.
Yeah, it's certainly going to be a game changer. Just to wrap up, what can we expect over the coming year from cold chain technologies?
Yeah, so our focus is to continue to develop our innovative, high-performing thermal assurance solutions. We are doing launching new products which have a combination of sustainability, high performance. It is also what we're doing is also building in the digital capability upfront, so that it's a whole complete solution, an integrated solution that we are providing to our customers, and doing that globally. So for CCT, we continue to expand globally. We are in every region of the world today, and our growth is happening globally. As our customers are also global customers. So our goal is to be that partner of choice for our customers globally as it comes to choosing the right thermal assurance packaging, designing it, validating it, manufacturing it, being the supply chain partner all through, and being that comprehensive partner, the knowledge partner, the partner to trust as drugs, vaccines, cell and gene therapy modalities grow globally.
Yeah, Ranjeet, look, it's been an absolute pleasure, having you on, learning more about cold chain technologies and obviously some of the advancements happening within the business. So, thank you again for sharing some of your insights.
Great to be with you, Gav. Thank you.
Thank you.